That's not how you treat them. Jive with Harlem and Run the World. Use these beats. That's crazy. It's the same brand. Premier Proteins.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. We see you creeping, but keep on dreaming. You're a bit too curious, yeah. Not interested, try to keep it in your pants. There's a time for this, 'cause when we step out, we control the scene, and that means there will be no dancing on me. I'ma do my own thing. Get your hands up off me.
It's time to get a new hat. The Velcro don't stay closed. It done fell down, going to run all into my eyeballs. Overall, excellent run. Considering the run on Tuesday, it's trash. Let me flip it. It was trash, I tell you. My legs said, get somebody else to do it. And I was like, cool with me. Shit, that second mile Tuesday was a walk. But I ran all of this mile. I can't breathe as always. I'll update y'all on the 50K, the ultra marathon, when I get settled and can breathe again. I feel like Tony Braxton. And breathe again, and breathe again. Tony, I feel you. Happy Thursday, you guys. So I just decided not to go to the gym today. I had already said I wasn't gonna go to the gym this week, but then I ended up going to the gym yesterday. I just been aching a lot and I feel like I need to recover. I'm gonna be starting a new kind of workout plan, kind of sort of, I guess. Me and Joe is going to run a 50K. I think it's like 30 something miles in September, and so we're going to start running a new run schedule, which means I'm gonna have to drop down in my gym days anyway, I think to like 2 full body days a week instead of 3 days. I'm just preparing to go into another run season. Looking at the schedule, if I'm bold enough, I'll put it here. If not, y'all just know that
I may be a little bit tired,
but anything worth having is worth doing. So I think I would like to say I've done an ultra before. That's on the list to do, I think sometime in September, and so we'll start training for it. It has like a lot of middle distance running on days that I work. So 10 miles, like in a week we may run 2 10-mile runs and then like a 20-mile run. It's like something crazy like that, like once we get down in the schedule. The other thing that I've been meaning to do since last week is like juice these beets that I bought. Like, I know I done bought beets on 2 separate occasions where I was supposed to juice them and then I just let them go bad. And then I bought 2 bags of celery that I need to clean, and then we'll juice that too. I may have mentioned this before, but beet juice is supposed to be really good for like oxygen in your blood, recovery, all other kind of stuff. Y'all know me. I'll pop it up on the screen what the benefits of beet juice is supposed to do for you.
You say you're sorry and you're leaving. Don't think we'll work out and it's just a feeling. I say, hey baby, don't you worry. Just want you happy, and if it's not me, then you can go on your way. I never force you to stay, but I'm so far from okay. Yeah. Oh, oh, let's be alone together. Oh, can we be alone together? You can go off on your own, I'll love you whether. Oh, miss me and you're so damn lonely, but you don't come back in the morning. I fall asleep dreaming that you hold me, but you don't reach out again.
Of all the fruits and vegetables that I work with and try out and cook with, beets and blueberries are by far like the, oh, and turmeric. Beets, turmeric, and blueberries like stain you. They stain your fingers, they stain your clothes, they just stain everything. I think of all of those, blueberries is worth the stains. Blueberries are worth the stains. Beets taste like dirt, but they good for you. I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna clean this juicer up before I get beet juice and beet puree and stuff everywhere. So I will see you guys in a while. I got a pretty okay juicer, but you can see like when I empty out the part where you shoot the flesh of like the celery and the beets back out after it's been juiced, I got like whole pieces of beets in here that didn't get pureed. I wonder, do I need to buy like new blades for that juicer? I just realized I ain't had no coffee, didn't have no L-glutamine, didn't have no fiber. So I'm gonna drink this and I'm gonna get some coffee. Then I'm gonna sit down and watch a couple of episodes of The Sopranos since it's gonna be a home day. Like I've always wanted to see The Sopranos. When it was out on HBO, we didn't have cable as a kid. When I was a kid, we just didn't have it. So I never got a chance to watch it. I think it's gonna take me probably all of July to finish it at the rate that I'm watching it. But what other suggestions do y'all have? I know on June 22nd, I don't know if y'all are Sex and the City girls, but I love the original Sex and the City. Once I got older, I watched the reruns like all the time, and I watched last season, like the new one where they're older. It's what is Sex and the City and Just Like That. I think that's like how they rebranded it. They come back on June 22nd, and I'm a Sex and the City girl, so I'm excited about this. I know that's on my radar. I tried to watch, it's another show. It's like 4 Black Girls. It's like the exact same show as Harlem on Prime, but this one is called Run the World. That's what it's called, Run the World. Do y'all watch that? I think that come on either Stars. I think they come on Stars or Max, HBO Max. I don't know about that one. Like, I ain't really like Harlem either, so just me or y'all not kind of like jive with Harlem and Run the World. The first season of Run the World was really good though, so if nothing else, watch the first season of Run the World. That was like excellent. This second season, I'm like, I don't know what they doing.
Anyone who plays me home, you want the SCTV gets out. Doesn't look like a lot of murder like me. At this point, it's not.
need some freshening, like some celery. I feel like if I didn't juice out the celery and I put celery in this, there would have been like a really good crunch and like a bit of freshness. This is a good vegetarian protein meal because I got the chickpeas, which got protein, and then the eggs, which got protein. I'm trying out a new protein powder, like an affordable protein powder. Now it's not plant-based like the other one was, which is probably why it don't cost as much. But my coworker was telling me that she used it, and it's just like Premier Protein. I got this off of Amazon. I think regularly it's $23. It has like a $2 coupon, so I got it for $21. That has been good. It does make me just a little bit, just a little bit gassy, but nothing that, you know, I can't handle. But the main thing is not causing issues on the runs. I think next week will be like a really good trial run with that, like with me doing like a lot of endurance training while taking that protein. Now I've also been taking another protein shake. That's crazy. It's the same brand, Premier Proteins. All right, good people, I come to you from my closet workout room floor as always. Today is Thursday, but it's June the 15th, so my birthday was so my birthday was hace 2 días. It's 2 days ago. I wanted to share, like, I loved all my gifts. Let me just start by prefacing, I loved every gift that I got. I feel like people listened to me about what I wanted. They surprised me. They were thoughtful. It was things that I loved, things that I didn't need, like them lemon pound cake cookies. I didn't eat them, but I ate them. I ate them, okay? The thin lemon cookies, ate them too. I love lemon cookies. I love lemon things. So if you ever want to like entice me, give me some lemon. I'm gonna eat a lemon donut, eating it. But it's one particular thing that I had like been telling you guys about. So a lot of this stuff I got, love it. But one particular thing I've been telling you guys about, and so I just wanted to show y'all. I got my 9060 New Balances in the blue that I wanted. I could not find them, but somebody found them for me, and I'm so excited. I wore them already. They are so comfortable. It says this is a running shoe. Babe, this is a walk around casual gym shoe. I'm not running nowhere in these shoes. This is the shoe that I got when I wanted these. So now that I have them together, they still kind of look alike a little bit, but not like a whole lot. So now I have my Nikes that I love, and I have the New Balance that I've been like, that's not how you treat them. My New Balances that I've been like craving, and Instagram just been showing me over and over and over again. It is still Gemini season. So all my Geminis out there, happy birthday, and I will see you guys next time. Until then.
On my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind.